Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn some more problems of different models in partial fractions. Suppose I have x square plus 2 in the denominator. When it is linear, that is when the degree of x is 1, I assume a constant in the numerator. When the degree of x is 2, I will check whether I can factorize. When I am not able to factorize, I assume bx plus c in the numerator. See, denominator power 1, I keep only a in the numerator. Denominator power 2, which I am not able to factorize, I keep two constants. Power 1, one constant. Power 2, two constants. One with x, one without x. Or in other words, if I have 2 degree in the denominator, keep 1 degree in the numerator. Question number 3. Exercise 2.9, we have a problem like this. X divided by, let me write these things first. X minus 1, x plus 2, and then x square plus 1. How shall I write it? A by linear factor, b by the second factor, x plus 2. Here the degree is 2. I cannot factorize this. X square plus 1 cannot be factorized. That I will write 1 with x, 1 without x. Cx plus d by x square plus 1. So call this as number 1. The problem is done if we find out A, B, C and D. How to proceed? Same pattern, we'll take LCM. So how shall I write it? A is the first term. What is the denominator? X minus 1. Hide x minus 1 in the denominator. What is remaining? Let me write here. X plus 2, x square plus 1. Similarly, b into, what is coming here? X plus 2. So, let me hide x plus 2. What is remaining? X minus 1, x square plus 1. And the third one is cx plus d. What is the denominator? X square plus 1. So, we have to hide x square plus 1. What is remaining? X minus 1, x plus 2. So, call this as number 2 and this is equal to, what is the LHS? The numerator is x. LCM denominator and this denominator the same. The numerator and numerator we are comparing. Call this as 2. Now, we need to find what is A, B, C and D. As before, let us make the bracket 0. So, the very first bracket, x plus 2 equal to 0 means wherever x is coming, put minus 2 in second equation. Now, wherever x plus 2 is coming, that is 0. So, 0 into anything, 0, forget it. This is again 0. 0 into the whole thing will become 0. I'm just left with the second thing. So, b, x, we have to put minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 square is 4 plus 1. That is equal to, the right hand side, x value is minus 2. Simplify this answer. B into minus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 equals to minus 2. Or B equals minus and minus I can cancel. 2 by 15. So out of the 4 constants A, B, C and D, I have found out what is B. Put the other bracket to be 0. Say x minus 1. Can I put this to be 0? No. If I put this as 0, my answer will be imaginary. So this I cannot make 0, whereas I can make x minus 1 0. So when x minus 1 is 0, I put x is equal to 1 in second equation. Now x minus 1 0 means 0 into anything will become 0. 0 into the whole thing will become 0. So only the first part A will remain. Wherever x is coming, I have to put 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 equals 2. These two are 0. The right hand side 1. Simplify the answer. A into 3 into 2, that is 1. So B, A equals 1. 3 2s are 6 will come to the denominator. So I have achieved A value. Once I get A and B, I have to proceed with C and D, but there is no other bracket that I can make 0. What shall I do? You put any convenient value for x. You can put x is 0, x is 3, x is 4, x is 10, x is 1000. Now which is the most convenient value? 0. So wherever x is coming, let us put 0 in the second equation. So this is second equation. A value, I know it is 1 by 6. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1. B value 2 by 15. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. C into 0, 0 plus D. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 2 equal to 0. So, in the second equation, wherever x is coming, I have put 0. Simplify this answer. This is 1, this is 2, and 2 by 6 means it reduces to 1 by 3. 1 into minus 1 into 2 by 15 means minus 2 by 15. 2 and this is minus 1. Minus 2d equals to 0. I can simplify this. Minus 2d to the other side. Plus 2d equal to. Take LCM 15 for 3 and 5. Cross multiply into 5. So 5 minus 2. That is 3 by 15. So d equals, bring 2 down. I can cancel this 1 by 5. So d equals 1 by 2 5s are 10. So by putting x is equal to 0, I have achieved d value. Now we are just left with C. What is special about C? Let us compare x cube coefficient and both the sides. What am I comparing? Coefficient of x cube. X into x square, I get x cube. So x cube, I get the coefficient to be A. X into x square, I get coefficient of x cube is B. X cube, x into x cube, coefficient is C. The right hand side there is no x cube means 0. So one method, wherever x is coming, I can put any convenient value. Already we have put minus 2, 1 and 0. You can put some other value 4, 5, 6 like that and get what is C. That is one method. Second method, I can compare coefficient of x cube. So the very first term, ax square. I multiply, I get ax cube. Bx square. I multiply, I get bx cube. Cx, x and x. I multiply, I get cx cube. Only coefficient means a plus b plus c. Right hand side there is no x cube means 0. Now I know what is a and b. Put it, find out what is c value. So I get 1 by 6 plus 2 by 15 plus c equal to 0. Or taking LCM, it is 30. 5 6 are 30, 2 15s are 30. Plus c equals 0. Or c is equal to 9 by 30 will come to the other side as minus 9 by 30. Cancelling 3 table, it is minus 3 by 10. So we have achieved A, B, C and D. Put it back in equation number 1 and that is the answer. So putting A 1 by 6, B 2 by 15, C minus 3 by 10, D 1 by 10 in first equation, we get x by x minus 1, x plus 2, x square plus 1 equals A value 1 by 6, x minus 1. B value 2 by 15, x plus 2. And C value minus 3 by 10 x, D value plus 1 by 10 divided by x square plus 1. This is 1 by 6 x minus 1, 2 by 15 x plus 2. In both the terms 10 common, bring it down. So divided by 10 x square plus 1. In the numerator minus 3x plus 1. So that is the answer. So given two linear factors, I write only A and B. Quadratic factor which I cannot factorize means the numerator will be two constants. One with x, one without x. So Cx plus D. There are some more in the exercise based on the same pattern. Try it on your own. Thank you.